Do you want to know how you can log into your Capital One credit card? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Capital One credit card. Go ahead and open your Chrome OS browser and then go to the search bar and then search for Capital One credit card. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will directly lead you to this login portal which you can see. You can now write down your Capital One username, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Capital One credit card. If you want your browser to remember you the next time, go ahead and click remember me. If you have forgotten your username or password, this is the link you want to go through. And if you don't have an account yet and want to set up online access, this is the link you want to click immediately to create a Capital One credit card account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Capital One credit card was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.